You cannot trust the Weather Channel. It was supposed to do this tomorrow. To it. First property. Oh, don't fall. Fuck. First property. It was just pouring down, raining. Now it was even hotter. It's amazing. I'm about to get to it. It's good. Hope y'all have a good day, man. Get to that money. No procrastinating today. No procrastinating, bruv. There's a young lady over there getting busy. I always see her. She over there getting it. Shout out to her. Getting busy. I gotta do this right here. This little patch right here, and to the right. Get the grass out the cracks, and then I gotta go talk to them over there. All right, guys, just finished up real quick. Hot. Looking good, though. All the way back there. Look, I'm being lazy. I go. Damn. But, like I said, lower down to the right. All right. Great, call her up now. Tell her I'm done. Actually, I gotta go across the street right here. Do some bushes and get the grass out the cracks. And then we done for this part of the neighborhood. Peace. All right, so I got the job. Shout out to them. I'll be back here tomorrow morning to take care of the grass and the cracks. And whoever was the last guy, they didn't like him. So they like my work. They said they rode past, seen my work, seen how I clean up, seen how I get the cracks out the grass. Yeah, man. Let's get it. All right, so we at the next property. I do this every 2 weeks. It grew like hell, but it's all good. It's a little back piece in the back. But I'm gonna check on my guy, see if he need me to knock that out. Cause that's the goal, man. You can't just be going on one block, doing 1 yard and leaving. That's goofy. At least be doing 2 or 3. That makes sense. You know what I mean? So, with that being said, don't be cutting yards and just leaving. Go knock on some doors. Like, for instance, everybody need their grass cut around here, but I be seeing it cut, so I'm gonna chill. They know I'm out here. I've been out here for almost 3 years now. So, I'm just getting 3 people out here. So, look, I'm telling y'all to knock on doors, and I don't even do it. But, still, though, it works. And it makes sense. Instead of riding all over the city, just take over a whole block, you know? Anyway, I'll see y'all in a second. It won't take me too long. Back. Oh, my blower, see? This is why I always do a walk around. Tripping. I gotta blow this grass off too. Doing a quick little look around. I'm about to cut her property, so I figure I might as well give her a nice. I'm gonna tell her I clean everything up. Just give me 25 to clean everything up today, and we can do yeah, I clean everything. Listen, I'm gonna tell her I clean the leaves, cut the grass, get the grass all in the cracks, all that. Just give me 25. I take care of everything. Can't beat that, bruv. Cause I'm ready to do the neighbor.
She got a thing with the name. Oh my God.
715. Hey guys, so just want to give y'all a quick look at what's going on. All right. We got this little side to do. It go down there, right? Then, you know, we got the grass, little bit of grass in the cracks. Little small spot back there. I gotta probably get that with the loppers. Just leaves in the back of her driveway. All right. We gonna clean this up. All right. Then I gotta come, oh snap. I gotta do her neighbor, so that's love, so I need that. Bruh's gas is high. So I'm gonna get to it. My little man in the crib, he talking about it's hot, Dad. Can I come out tomorrow? Yup, no problem. I ain't even mad at you. You only 11, shit. I'll see y'all in a second. Like spaces a little bit, helps me work a little faster. So I knock out, I do the little L shape, Now something stung me too, guys, right in my neck all my days. I do an L shape, bam, bam, and I stop at the steps, clean everything up, and I go to the back and end it in the back. But this is how we looking. So far, I gotta get this up, of course. Just showing you guys real quick how we looking. Got all that up. Alright, got all this up right here. You can see the rocks now in the path. Couldn't see them before, bro. See the little path now? Yeah, you can see it now. Yeah, no. You couldn't see that. You couldn't see that. Alright. All that. I'll get all this side right here. And right here. I'm about to weed whack, edge it, clean these leaves up. And I'll get back with you guys in a second. It's Motivational Mondays. Motivation Monday. A lot of people don't like Monday. I love it. Peace. So that's the truck. It came and cleaned up. It was moving on fast. That's all I got though. I pushed everything in the street. It cleaned it up for me. So that's love, y'all. Damn. That's a little power right there. I take that. I tried to get all of it. But they, man, nut asses. But hey, I appreciate it. This is a small power to pick up. And I know y'all seen what I just had. Let's get it. Looking good. We out of here.
Sick World, DJ No Frill, Studio Flow, man. Look, I'm on my 1-2, man. We on our 1-2.